What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to BT Willa's Garage. Today I'm going to do a quick install as well as review on this Amazon made in China safe that goes in the center console of your Toyota 4Runner 5th gen. So 2012 to 2022, I guess 2023 now. And potentially further up models can fit this safe. So that's what it looks like. It's pretty heavy. I want to say like 14 pounds, 15 pounds maybe. It's got a little piece of rubber here to keep it from hard slamming, but pretty neat. Step one is going to be obviously to clean out your center console and then remove the little felt pad, i.e. this guy, from the center console. You probably want to vacuum at this point. It tends to get pretty dusty down there. Step two is to take your 10 millimeter and take out these two bolts that you can see here. We're going to go ahead and get those out of the way. And you can keep those just in case you ever decide to take the safe out. But the safe does come with new bolts as well as two keys in case you don't remember your 4-digit passcode. So the way the safe works is whenever you have it set to the proper passcode, this is the stock one. Actually, this is the stock one. It'll lock, and then if it weren't to be set right, you can't unlock it. So when you go back to 4 zeros in this case, it'll unlock. So I'll have to figure out what to do with those two keys. I assume that's just a manual backup, but maybe they're required to set it. I'm not sure yet. And you guys will have to figure that out or ask me in the comments, because that won't be a part of this video. But what will be is us putting the safe in and checking out how it fits. Let's keep going. Here's the packing for those of you that want to see how professionally it's packed. So it just dropped in nicely. Seems to fit well. We're going to do a test close. Uh-oh. Let me readjust. Okay, so I just read an Amazon review, and both of them said that the lid didn't shut, so I need to slow down and read reviews more often. But ultimately what's happening is this piece here is hitting right here. You guys may be able to see that. So the deal is that latch just needs to go down a little bit further. We're going to try to shim it. So we're going to put a shim in it and see if that fixes the problem. And by shim, I'm going to start off by using a piece of cardboard. So I'm going to put the piece of cardboard underneath those two. I'm going to take those two screws out, maybe 1/4 inch, see how far they come out. And then I'm going to put it underneath the base plate and then screw that back in. Just pulled it off. Got my shim, which will sit like that. And I'm going to screw it back on. All right. Boom. I'm retiring. This is my last video. I'm never going to do anything this good again. All right, guys, look. This safe was way less expensive than the other ones. That's why I bought it. That little problem comes up. We've got a fix for it. You guys are safe to buy this safe. You can also get one more expensive that probably won't have this problem, but they're going to do the same thing. So this is going to help us keep, you know, things we don't want our kids touching or people stealing just a little bit safer. So here is the proper way to put your washers on: crush washer, flat washer, and then let's get these tightened down. Whew, it is seriously like 1,000 degrees today. Don't forget to put your protective panels down. Now, a cool thing about this safe, it does leave the 12 volt, 120 watt outlet available, and you can actually run your phone cord up through there. So that's kind of cool. Yeah, anyways. All right, guys, enjoy your new safe. Thank you. Oops, forgot to shut the main one. Thank you if you use my link to purchase this or any other safe for that matter. I do appreciate that, and we'll see you next time on BT Willa's Garage. Now for the test. Crap, doesn't fit.